Alright, welcome back my Mazda fans. Just a quick update on how the 2007 Mazda 3 is running. A few months ago I changed out the transmission control module because my daughter's car was having a really bad jerking motion. As soon as you get to a certain speed, the car would really jerk really bad, and it just felt dangerous driving it. So I changed out the TCM, and so far so good. It hasn't jerked at all. Like I said, it's been about, I don't know, 4 or 5 months now, and yeah, it's running pretty good. I'm going about 50 miles per hour, and still no and look at this guy, and still no jerking motion in the car. So I feel safer driving this car, so I feel comfortable for my daughter driving this car. So yeah, it's running pretty smooth. I just gave the car a good wash. I think in my next video, or next Mazda related video, I'm gonna try to work on the paint job on this car, because the paint is peeling, and I want to see if I can at least buff it out or something, you know, make it look smoother, because it's really bad. It's been sitting out in the sun for a while. So yeah, this is just a quick update. So I'll see you guys later, my Mazda fans. Alright, so this is the paint job I was telling you guys about that I need to work on. See how it's really peeling off and it just looks terrible. And like I said, I just got the car a good wash, but not good enough, I guess. There's still bird poop right there. But as I was getting gas today, guys, are you the type of person that notices every scratch, marks, or dents on your car? Because I just noticed this on my daughter's car. Look at that. Red paint. Yeah, she never told me anything about it. But yeah. That's something I want to try to fix. It's pretty bad. It's been sitting out in the sun for a while. Alright, see you later.